G'day guys, and welcome back to another Donovan the training video. Today we're going to be speaking about your fridge count. Now just remember guys, when you're doing your fridge count, you can only use your barcode booklet. Your barcode booklet is something that you will receive on a weekly basis. You can only scan your barcode booklet in order to capture the information on your SAP scanner. Now, what do you count when it comes to your fridge count? Number one, you will weigh all of your meat that is in your loose serve counter and that's in your gourmet counter. You will also weigh all of the meat that you have in your cold room. Then you will count your packaging. Now remember, when it comes to formal packs, we count them in bales and not as loose sleeves. Next, you will also count all of your spices that you use to make your wors and spices for your meat in production. This you will count as each individual package. And then finally, part of your count is your labels. Now remember, once a label is open, it is not regarded as part of your count. So you only count labels that are sealed. These are the items that will form part of your fridge count on a Monday morning. Happy counting, guys, and I look forward to our next video.